In the previous module, we learned how to create dimensions using the top-down approach, and now we're going to see how to build dimensions from the bottom up. When we start the wizard, we need to specify the creation method. Most of the time, we're going to select the first option, use an existing table. When we design a dimension, we select the relevant table from the DSV, and then identify the key column. The key column uniquely identifies each record in the dimension table, and it's usually the primary key of the table when we have a data warehouse for our source data. Now, if the table has a composite key structure to uniquely identify records, we can specify multiple columns here as key columns. Selecting a name column is optional here. If we do not select one, then the value in the key column will display as the label that we see when browsing the dimension members. On the next page of the Dimension Wizard, we pick the attributes, which is the name we use to refer to the table columns from the DSV. We decide here which attributes to include in the dimension, and whether the users will be able to view each attribute independently when browsing the cube. For example, we could have an attribute that we use exclusively for sorting purposes, as we'll see in a demonstration later in this module, so we would not enable browsing for that attribute.